你好，祝你有美好的一天。这就是频道 Celebrity News Today 247。这是今天的新闻。
Xiao Zhan breaks the traffic deadlock. He personally broke through the dangers and regained a new life, ushering in a new beginning. The sun of Bian Bian is warm as spring, and the boy in white is as handsome as an eyebrow. As polite as I saw you first, go ahead and go back. In the vast crowd, similar people are suitable to grow old together. People who share the frequency are suitable for big things together. Only by knowing yourself and the enemy can you win all battles. There is a difference between the hero and the coward, and what remains is the difference in viewpoint. One is good at hard offense, the other passively retreats in crisis. In the territory of society, each has differences. Those who were in a weak position were beaten so that they could not find the east, the west, the north and the south, and they were dizzy. The intersection of life is diversified. Coveters are overly jealous and judge people by their appearance. The situation caused by strategizing and drafting a strategy can only be self-blame. Being strong is not the capital of your mischief, but you breaking the rules, the starting point for repeated crimes. In the internet world, there is always a kind of people who speak the language of benevolence, justice and morality, talking about topics that are not painful or itchy. They think they are victims, naively feel that free speech cannot be punished. He heartily stated his views on the new event on the battlefield of public opinion. On the night of December 21, 2021, Xiao Zhan's first performance of Dream Like a Dream at Beijing Station, a very unfriendly thing happened that day. Opponents by hot search, according to whether or not I watched the drama, it set off a frenzy of discussion. In the Weibo camp, all parties have their own rhetoric, which is deeply uncomfortable. A prepared topic controversy. Behind the scenes, spectators who know in their hearts all understand the tricks in the middle. I heard some bad sounds one after another. The people are in a whirlpool of public opinion, can't figure it out. This is a large-scale self-healing, hot search tirade. Intentionally or unintentionally, 2 points were explained: the popularity, word of mouth, and response of Like a Dream, make others panic. Deliberately complete a play, taking advantage of the public platform to catch the heat. Being willing to be a provocateur will make people panic and fearful. In other words, the circle of full lethality engages in the war of personal dataism. The jealousy born from the heart, exiled in the cultural and entertainment environment. We started to ignore this phenomenon. Since the big changes in the entertainment industry, there has been a little bit of bad troubles. As long as you give a concerned look, there will be bloody wind. The Like a Dream at a charity station does not sell tickets to the outside world. There is a huge contrast between the sow manipulation of another family and the support given by director Chen Jialin. Whether the character is good, whether the quality is high or not, can be guessed from a small and uproarious matter. The reason why Chen Qingling directed by director Chen is a classic among the classics, it lies in the cultural concept conveyed by the work. Putting aside the original work, Wei Wuxian's sad life is redrawn. Chen Qingling Axian's twists and turns, the journey of life, corresponding to Xiao Zhan's suffering in 2020. The heat wave has not disappeared, and we are heading against the wind. Take a small step, there will be a big step. To reduce the size of the big, prevent the slightest failure. The main battlefield of competition is always the villain. Only profit is the mastermind of the planner. Incredible. At the end of the year, actor Xiao Zhan could still encounter such a catastrophe in his performance. It is really angry. The superb restoration of Patient Number 5. On the one hand, he spent a lot of performance, taking notes and figuring out the mood of the characters. On the other hand, during the face of life's hardship, Number 5 helped him draw up the connotation of the performance. Anything experienced is the wealth of an acting career. The farther you go, the more you know the meaning of gratitude. Kindness is greater than heaven. A wise boy with a different appearance, overcoming dangers. The greater the gully, and the other areas will not be remembered. But in places where explosives are strong, there is always a way to make a literary and artistic youth who does not want to participate in the dispute of public opinion, involved in the storm. Abandon the image of obedient tiger, sensible, establish the direction, adjust the set of people, and move against the current. Few words, sincere and sincere. In the wasted years, Xiao Zhan, with a humble mentality, the sincere tone, the noble quality, the righteous media, the three views and the big V, the first, land satellite who sent charcoal in the snow watched him well. A long way to go, choosing a bloody road with no end, walked to the end without hesitation. The love between people, most of the time, is the same. Someone digs into your heart and lungs for you, and some people stumbling on you anytime, anywhere. In an avalanche, no snowflake is innocent. When people are in trouble, the most ironic comments are often the most ironic. When you have good luck, the opponent comes out to fool the public and cannot end. This vicious circle is human nature. Dream Like a Dream failed to stop the loss in time for the bad situation in the Beijing Charity Fair. As a netizen in front of the screen, one should not swarm to the wrong side. Bring out factual evidence and discard messy content. In a utilitarian society, everyone should not bow to fallacy. A high-quality idol takes self-examination and self-examination as a benchmark. Inferior idols like to go downhill. Those sweating the years of the last battle are slowly erased from memory. In fact, the drama is out of the circle. The traffic created by the 227 violence not only brought great attention and popularity to Xiao Zhan, it also made him understand the original essence of the performance. Even in the most difficult, the most desolate moment, firm original intention. 2021, pass the danger, greet the new beginning and drive away the obstacles on the road ahead. Knock down one by one the boycotters and insidious families who are obstructing oneself. Compared to previous years, more confidence. Increased awareness of dilemmas. Thousands of sails are exhausted, and the words of sorrow are scattered. Traveling thousands of miles, there will eventually be a brilliant process. Empathy, conformity psychology is a phenomenon that humans see through, counterattack under the calm appearance. Through the years and passing away, life's hard journey, so we know the difference between the transformation of the amateur and the mediocrity. A good actor, the traumatic experience of truly integrating into the role will not take into account the miscellaneous thoughts. Act well, act carefully, and do your best to show passers by the perfect appearance. The rivers of life flow freely, into rivers and lakes, to mountains and oceans. What can be saved when the flooding scene occurs? Can you continue to be as happy as before? People, after all, it is a slave to emotions. The lights of the celebrity world shine from the endless applause and the experience of fighting alone, knowing that success is hard to come by. You won't cross the catastrophe stage by yourself and no one will get you. Fame and fortune are like clouds, dismissing hypocrisy, deceit, framing, and doing more outrageously. It's getting more and more annoying. Fortunately, justice is in the hands of most people, and the more the flame of truth burns, the more impact. Xiao Zhan has established a deep, rooted connection with the organizers of Dream Like a Dream. Every time on stage, fans in which city watched and wrote a long afterthought. Watching that boy break the traffic deadlock, experience it personally, with strategic thinking and a strong view of the pattern. Stand a wider angle of view, despise shameless chaos, ignore, do not ask. They smiled with tears. Resentment can destroy a person with no regrets, can destroy a person's mind. Hate continues to crown with the passage of time. Half of them unknowingly walked in a confused way. Xiao Zhan was sarcasm and sarcasm, condemned for moving forward. Inevitably be degraded, the sniper used fierce words to denigrate the sky, the darkest curtain was torn open. All these are the tortuous roads he must take after becoming an actor. The dark night will disappear, and the light of dawn will shine on the dreamer. People who insist on their original intentions grow in the river. We have to distinguish between right and wrong, not affected by bad moods. In the small circle of seeking for benevolence and benevolence, creating a brand new face, then follow a destination, unswervingly arrive at the revetment. Don't be threatened by rigid cultural content. Words that are offensive will sink to the sea sooner or later. Xiao Zhan forgave those no-brain fans who splashed dirty water and created conflicts and disputes with a benevolent heart. 1. There is no need to place too much emphasis on discrimination. In a niche market, the acceptance of drama is particularly low. Today this person took the opportunity to hype, deliberately bluff. The second is to be wary of not stopping at all times. Remove the title of flow, maximize the effect with the smallest value, and become a fully qualified talent. In a sense, the struggle in the entertainment arena is terrifying and terrifying. It can generally be described like this: the evil elements without Gunsmoke get together. The center of this group is aimed at a tropical character, Xiao Zhan, who has regained his life. So I won't be frightened and tremble all over. Don't forget, he is a fan of the sun. It is the light in the hearts of passers-by. He is not a perfect, good person with no flaws. Do at least one thing you are interested in and be willing to give unconditionally. Inherit the culture, wash away personal emotions, and then spread their wings and fly in the wind. Xiao Zhan, you don't have to struggle hard. People who care about you will always follow behind you. Familiar growth motivation quotes: care after dreams come true. 29 business endorsement brands help each other, combining 3 luxury. Let this Oriental Orthodox youth have a life without regrets. It constitutes an unforgettable and colorful 21 years.